This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rodney Jones. Spacious Palm Bay home for rent with 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. This home features an open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, an eat-in kitchen and a large family room with plenty of room for family and friends. This home also has a large fenced-in yard and, very important, indoor laundry. Yes, loads of laundry without loads of lizards. Reach out today to make this property your new home. For more information, review the details below or contact Rodney Jones at 888-668-8283.